Okay, here's a quick video on how to put a SW Mototech Pro ring on a quick connect Ducati Street Fighter gas cap. So the gas cap stays as is. You don't need to take the gas cap out. All you need to do is take the 3 screws out of the gas cap that are already holding it together, one at a time. Put this ring on there and put these 3 screws back, same screws that you took out from there. Put it there. The next step is there's a plastic looking thing that comes with it. You put it on there and it goes right on top, and there are 4 holes. There are 4 holes on the thing right here. This. You put it on top of this, and there are 4 small 3 mm hex nuts that come with it, and you gotta put it on there. It's very easy. 4 3 mm hex nuts go in those 4 holes. I'll put them and I'll be right back. Okay, now there are 4 holes in here. They just go on top of that. And that's it. But after that, there are these 4 plastic thingies that come with it. I don't know if it's plastic or metal, but and they go on. You gotta make sure the screw side is on that side, and they go in right here. And you take a 4 mm and just tighten them. See, when you put it the other way around, it doesn't go in, so you gotta take that out. 1 second. It has to go in the right way for it to be screwed in. If you put it the wrong way, it doesn't screw in. 1 second. So I don't know if I can show you this, but there's a screw side in there. That's a screw side. Yeah, that's a screw side, and the plain side. You gotta put it through the screw side, otherwise it won't screw in. And that's it. That's how you put it on an SW Mototech. This thing is pretty. I was just talking about the Pro ring to be installed on a quick connect.